Okay, we're by this truck stop. Look at this, glorious. Isn't it beautiful? There's everything. It's so pretty. I don't see the big cactus. You know what? I'm going to go down further into it because there's a truck coming. Oh. Love them. Over there, looks like something out of fairyland. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. And look, there's, what are those ones that are hot? Fuchsia something. And the apricot ones I've been hunting are here someplace. But this is kind of deep grass. I'm not sure how I'm gonna walk to them. And yellow somethings. I'll zoom in, maybe you'll see them, because they're just beautiful. Maybe I'll have the man get some of the apricot ones, because I'm in a dress, which is appropriate for fields of flowers.